Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance for Quotex. First, ensure both your Binance and Quotex accounts are fully verified. This typically involves identity checks and address confirmation, which can take up to 24 hours. Next, familiarize yourself with the supported cryptocurrencies on both platforms, as not all assets are universally accepted. Finally, prepare your security settings, enabling two-factor authentication on both accounts for maximum protection of your funds and personal information. Now, let's get your Binance account funded. You have several options, including depositing fiat currency directly from your bank account or using a debit or credit card. Alternatively, you can transfer existing cryptocurrencies from another wallet. Always double-check the deposit address and network if you are sending crypto to avoid any loss of funds. Binance typically processes deposits within a few minutes, but bank transfers might take up to 3 to 5 business days to clear. Once your funds are in Binance, transferring them to Quotex is straightforward. On Binance, navigate to your spot wallet and select Withdraw for the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Then, go to your Quotex account, find the deposit section, and choose the same cryptocurrency. Copy the unique deposit address provided by Quotex and paste it accurately into the Binance withdrawal form. Always double-check the address and network before confirming the transfer to ensure your funds reach the correct destination. Before you start trading, remember a few crucial points. Always be mindful of the transaction fees associated with both deposits and withdrawals on Binance and Quotex. These can vary. Pay close attention to the minimum and maximum transfer limits for each cryptocurrency to avoid any issues. For your security, always use two-factor authentication on both platforms. Finally, stay updated on market conditions and any platform announcements to make informed trading decisions and protect your investments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.